Let's roll for initiative. We gathered round the table, maps and dice in hand. You played the rogue, I played the knight. Who couldn't understand why every time you laughed at something I had said, the words I meant to follow it stayed locked up in my head. I had a +5 to charisma, looked good on paper too, but some stats don't mean anything when they're aimed at you. Roll for initiative, that's your readiness to step into the unknown. Roll for initiative, you gotta be the spark before the fire's grown. It means boldness, it means daring to begin. Initiative, the will to take the leap and win. Roll for initiative. The campaign wrapped up early, everyone said goodbye. I had wanna grab some coffee, loaded up and ready to fly. But the moments slipped between us like a natural 20 missed. The kind of chance that doesn't come with a second save and throw assist. 3 sessions deep in nothing, still just holding back, waiting for a perfect time that's lost and off the track. Hey! Roll for initiative, hey! That's your readiness to step into the unknown. Roll for initiative, you gotta be the spark before the fire's grown. It means boldness, it means daring to begin. Initiative, the will to take the leap and win. Roll for initiative. Initiative noun, readiness to embark on bold new ventures. The drive to act before anyone tells you to. It comes from the Latin initium, meaning a beginning, rooted in anire, to go in, to start something. Synonyms: enterprise, drive, gumption, audacity. Antonyms: passivity, hesitation, inertia. The difference between picking up the dice and leaving them on the table. Roll for initiative, that's your readiness to step into the unknown. Roll for initiative, you gotta be the spark before the fire's grown. It means boldness, it means daring to begin. Initiative, the will to take the leap and win. Roll for initiative. You caught me in the parking lot, dice bag on your arm. You said, I like you, dungeon crawler, and I'm done with all this charm of waiting for you to say something. So here's my saving throw. Turns out the one with initiative was you. And now I know